Hey, Andrew from Ozito. I'm here on your screen today to take some of the mystery out of selecting the right drill for your next DIY project. The drill driver and the hammer drill have all the same features, except the hammer drill can drill into bricks and concrete. So let's start with the hammer drill. The hammer drill is the perfect all-rounder to cover all those jobs around the home, including drilling into brick and masonry. Let's go through the features of the tool. At the performance end, we have a keyless chuck, which is easily adjustable by hand and sure to keep those bits in there nice and tight. As we move up the drill, you'll see a ring here with numbers on it. This controls the amount of torque that's delivered to the bit. The higher the number, the higher the torque. The lower the number, the lower the torque. Just above the torque ring, you'll see another ring with pictures on it. This helps you select the mode for the drill to the application you're doing. The picture of the screw is for driving in screws, and a picture of a drill bit is for drilling holes, and switch it all the way over to hammer to drill into concrete and masonry. Moving up the drill, we come across this switch, which has a first and second gear. First gear is low speed but high torque, and second gear is a faster speed, which is perfect for drilling into hard materials such as metal or stainless steel. Just above the trigger is a three-way switch, and if you're right-handed, use your trigger finger to put it in forward and your thumb to put it in reverse. And of course in the middle locks the drill, great for accidental startup, storage, or just for when it's not in use. Next we have a nice comfortable grip and a really handy belt clip for when you need to use both your hands. There's LED work lights on all hammer drills across the range. Best of all, it takes the power exchange battery, which is interchangeable across our power tool and garden range. Check out our DIY videos for some other cool projects you can try at home.